Hi, this is John with DEODORIZES, and this guy here actually solves a huge problem in my house. So I have roommates, and we share our own fridge, and this Arm& and Hammer fridge and freezer, and just fixes the huge problem of us maybe having the smells of our food doing different. You put this guy in the fridge and you open it from both sides, and the baking soda actually neutralize all odors, and it would actually put in the right place, right moment. The food tastes fresh and long, and it's gonna stay longer in the right place. So you just put this guy here and you let it sit for a good time. So if you're looking for your fridge just to have a neutral smell, no any funny smells, and just smells nice all the time, it's gonna actually help your food to stay longer in a fresh state. This actually does a great job. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.